5 chair exercises for seniors can help you restore leg strength naturally and easily without a gym or special equipment. After age 60, just a few days of immobility following a fall can lead to serious loss of leg muscle power. Many people wake up unable to stand. This is rapid muscle atrophy, and it happens faster than you might think. This video will guide you through 5 simple and safe exercises suitable for seniors of all fitness levels as recommended by physical therapy experts in the United States. And keep your eyes on the final exercise, since just one small mistake there can weaken your legs faster without you realizing it. Now let us begin exercise 1, and be sure to share your experience in the comments below. Feel free to ask any questions if you run into difficulty. Exercise 1. Chair leg raises elderly. If you find it hard to step up onto a curb or rise from a chair, your hip and quadriceps muscles are starting to weaken. This is a common sign of weak legs after 60, and without proper training it can get worse. The first exercise you should start with is chair leg raises elderly. Sit on a sturdy chair with your back straight and feet flat on the floor. Slowly lift one leg until your thigh is parallel to the ground. Hold for 3 seconds, then lower gently. Repeat 10 to 12 times on each leg. Pause for a moment and try it with me now. Lift your leg, keep breathing steadily, and feel your quadriceps engage. That is a very good sign. Repeat with the other leg. Mild fatigue is normal as your muscles wake up. This is one of the most effective chair exercises for seniors, for home leg strengthening seniors without a gym. When you lift your leg, your thigh and core work together to maintain balance. This helps you stand up more easily and reduces pressure on your knee. A study published in the Journal of Geriatric Physical Therapy found that older adults performing leg exercises with chair 3 to 4 times per week improved lower body strength and balance by up to 28% in just 6 weeks. This proves you do not need heavy workouts, just consistency with seated workouts for seniors. You can begin with 1 to 2 sets per day, then increase as your body adapts. If you want to warm up your hips, which play a key role in turning and balance, the next exercise will surprise you with its gentle effectiveness, true to the spirit of easy physical therapy leg seniors. Exercise 2. Seated clamshells. Have you ever felt your walk veer off course a bit? Your body tilts to one side, and your legs do not respond when you turn or change direction. That is not your joints failing, but weak hip muscles at work. This area tends to be overlooked in chair exercises for seniors, even though it is vital for balance. Today's move will awaken that muscle group. Sit on a sturdy chair with both feet flat on the floor, knees bent at right angles. Gently open your knees outward, then close them slowly. Imagine a clam shell opening and closing, hence the name clamshells. If you are ready, let us do 10 repetitions, opening, hold for 2 seconds, then closing. No need to rush. What matters is feeling your hip muscles activate. Lean forward slightly and open a little wider to increase the effect. You can perform this 2 to 3 times per week. It is especially helpful if you are recovering from a fall or simply coping with weak legs after 60 and are unsure where to start. Feel free to repeat more often if it feels comfortable. If you have noticed heaviness or stiffness after sitting for a long time, the next exercise will help you regain lightness and control in every step. This is one of the big benefits of combining chair exercises for seniors with easy physical therapy leg seniors. You will see real improvement after just a few sessions. Exercise 3. Ankle pumps. A 75-year-old woman in California once told me she no longer dared go grocery shopping alone, not because of pain, but because her feet felt numb every time she stood. After sitting long periods, her legs felt stiff, as if blood had not reached her toes in. Just a few months, she began taking tiny steps, then needed assistance even to enter the bathroom. The good news is, after regularly practicing chair exercises for seniors, and especially the move we will do next, she regained confidence and could stand to prepare meals longer without needing to sit. Today's movement focuses on your ankles, which act like a natural blood pump for your legs. Sit up straight and extend your legs forward. Flex your ankles up and down in a smooth rhythm, imagining you are pressing a car pedal. Give it a try. Flex your foot up, hold 1 to 2 seconds, then lower. Repeat 10 times on each foot. This is one of the simplest seated workouts for seniors, yet it dramatically improves circulation, warms muscles, and reduces numbness. This move is often prescribed in Easy Physical Therapy Legs seniors programs, especially for those who sit a lot or walk little. Once you feel comfortable, increase the speed or hold each flex longer for added benefit. Moves like this combined with other leg exercises with chair will help you recover flexibility and step with confidence. If you truly want to strengthen your legs every day without equipment or complex routines, check out the playlist Leg Strength and Mobility for Seniors. Below you will find a curated series of chair exercises for seniors designed to help you balance better, walk more securely, and live more confidently. And if you have wondered why many seniors stay weak despite regular practice, the next exercise will reveal a deeper factor behind it. Stay with me. If you are still watching, type yes in the comments so I know you are following along. Exercise 4. Sit and reach. Do you remember the last time you bent over to pick something up from the floor without grabbing the chair or holding your knee? Many people say, I am too old to be flexible, yet aging makes flexibility more essential, not less. Today's movement helps you stretch your entire lower body and supports bending, reaching, and balance activities you use every day, often without noticing. Sit on a chair with your back straight, feet firmly on the floor. Extend one leg forward, heel on the ground, toes pointing up. Gently bend toward your toes, reaching as far as feels comfortable. Hold for 3 seconds, then sit back up. Switch legs and repeat. Are you following along? If any part feels awkward or difficult, please comment below so I can offer guidance. Perform 8 repetitions on each side. As you lean forward, breathe steadily and feel your hamstrings stretch. You do not need to touch your toes, only a mild tension is enough. You are also engaging your posterior chain, which is key to combating weak legs after 60, a goal that leg exercises with chair should aim for, not just working your quadriceps. No equipment, no trainer required, just a chair is all you need to achieve home leg strengthening seniors with simple moves like this. And if you recall the warning at the start, the final exercise is one you absolutely must not skip. One wrong rhythm there can weaken your legs noticeably without your awareness. Exercise 5, sit to stand. This is the last exercise and the most important in our series today. It may sound familiar since it mimics a motion you do every day when rising from or sitting on a chair, but because it is so familiar, many have been doing it incorrectly for years without knowing. Follow along if you have tried this before and still rely on your hands to stand. Please comment below so I know where you are in your journey. Sit on a chair with both feet flat on the floor, knees at right angles. Extend your arms forward at chest level to help with balance. Lean forward slightly, then use your thigh and hip muscles to stand without pushing on your hands. Slowly sit back down, controlling the movement. Repeat 5 times at a steady pace. This is one of the most effective chair exercises for seniors because it mirrors the daily movement you encounter. If done incorrectly, you not only fail to progress, but also risk losing balance when standing. View this as a foundation for home leg strengthening seniors, especially if you have experienced weak legs after 60 and lack confidence rising in front of others. Just a few minutes each day of chair exercises for seniors can improve leg strength, increase balance, and prevent falls. These movements not only help you regain confidence in every step, but also support healthy aging. Begin today to protect your legs for the future. Have you tried these exercises? Let me know your experience in the comments below. If you have any questions or find any moves challenging, do not hesitate to ask. I am here to help. And do not forget to revisit the playlist Leg Strength and Mobility for Seniors to continue your journey towards stronger legs.